everybody, it's Alaysha.
It's Alaysha.
And Vaughn's over there with the iPod. So we're at the waterfall, you know, at the creek thingy in the bobber.
It's crazy. Look at the bridge.
Oh,
so
yes.
pretty. And I'm getting wet. Well, kind of no duh, I'm getting wet.
Obviously.
Obviously, I'm getting wet. Obviously, it's kind of deep. Obviously, if I drop this, I'm dead.
Obviously. You know, Vaughn.
Obviously, it's kind of cold. Yeah. I'm good. What? I got this. I don't got this.
Here.
Can you give me?
Thank you.
Ooh, that took a lot of strength. See it up there?
Yeah, I know.
You got this. Not the best idea to take off your shoes. True. Oh God. Not the best idea for me to walk. I got it, I'm right here in water.
You give me butterflies deep inside. Not bad up there.
I just don't want to drop it in my hands because you know I will.
Oh yeah.
People.
With their doggies.
Alright, I guess we're gonna go say bye to the trees.
Bye,
And
trees.
I guess Alaysha. Bye. Head face side shot.
Yeah. Bye.